Bro, stop being a hermit. Stop it. There was this one period of my life where I was stuck in this amazing place. Like, beautiful, beautiful place. Like, super spiritual. Like, my spirit was warm when I got here. Everything was amazing. Like, this place is gorgeous. I was stuck in a. I was stuck. Stop describing it like that. I was in a place where they called it the barracks. And I couldn't go anywhere for. I could go anywhere. Yes, I'm struggling with my own internal narrative while I make this. I want you guys to notice this. Okay. Let me give you guys the story in my head. I was stuck inside this barracks for a week when I first got here. That beautiful place, but I'm stuck inside this house and I can't get out. I'm just stuck there. Oh, I'm playing video games, being a degenerate. I'm like just looking at the wrong stuff on the internet. You know what the wrong stuff are. Like just not being happy for like 5-6 days. Like the only respite I had was that I could work for like 3 other days, and I was like, okay, getting some good work done. And I wasn't even getting amazing work done. I was getting decent work done, but I felt so good. Went home and then ate poorly, ate junk food, just not living the life I could have done because I was stuck inside that place. This is what actually happened. I got to this amazing place. Everyone was telling me, "Hey, how are you feeling? Are you enjoying it here?" Yeah, guys, I'm enjoying it. Yeah, I'm feeling good. I'm feeling good. You know, I'm excited to be here. And then I go back home to the barracks, and I can't get out. I, I choose not to get out. I'm stuck. I'm not stuck in there. I'm in there, and it's comfortable. I don't have to go outside and greet anyone new. Like, oh, this is a new place. I'm so scared. I don't have to do that. So I'm just gonna stay in here. Uh, oh, you know what? Just buy myself Cocoa Pops. Just eat the whole box one day. Oh, just buy myself some. What did I buy? Like some chicken sausages. Just eat the whole packet in the same day. Just binge. Just binge eat. Just play video games the whole day. It's beautiful day outside. Let's just eat, play video games because it's comfortable. Because I don't want to go outside. I don't want to go greet people. I don't want to interact with people. The next week I moved to a place with two guys, chilling there with them. Like I'm not even hungry anymore. Oh, there's like a mini gym here. I'm gonna go to the gym. There's a nice trail here. I can just walk the trail. It's beautiful up here. What? Oh, we're going to church. We're gonna go sing. Let's go. You know what the shift was? Everything stayed the same. The shift was the people. I wasn't alone. I wasn't stuck with this guy. This guy in my head. I wasn't stuck with just him. I spoke to other humans. I spoke to other men of the tribe. I spoke to people of the tribe. And I got involved with more people here. We started going to village get-togethers. We started having some supper at each other's houses. It's beautiful. But I wouldn't have had that if I stayed in the house. Gratefully, they didn't forcibly, but they said, "Okay, you're moving." Okay, I'm moving. Much better. I'm spending time with people. I'm getting to know people. It's that first hurdle of resistance. It's that little that stuck. Just that stuck of resistance fucks up the whole game. That stuck. Bugs everywhere. That stuck fucks the whole game up. That little thing in your head saying, oh, you know what? Just don't get out of bed today. Just stay here. Just play video games. Don't get out of bed. Just stay. Don't just wake up and go on your phone and scroll WhatsApp, scroll Instagram. Just do that as soon as you get up. 'Cause it feels nice. Yesterday was so difficult. Come on, it feels nice. That's how big it is. That's how big that thought is in your head. That big. This is how big you are. That's the thought. Go out to your room. Speak to someone. Even if they're annoying, speak to them. I don't know the exact science, but I know it's one of the most important aspects of human life for everyone is just speak to other people. Interact with other people in your tribe. Whether it's your family, whether it's people you know, interact with them. Talk to them, get to know them. Just say hi. Yeah, what are you really doing today? And don't this I used to do this all the time. Yeah, I'm just so autistic about certain things. Don't just speak to them like you're trying to tick a box. Like, oh, okay. Andrew Huberman said it's good to have social connection, so I'm going to talk to my mom. Hello, mom. How are you doing? Okay, I'm doing good, my son. How are you? Okay, thank you, mom. I'm going to go back to jerk off now. Truly speak to them. Truly get to know these people. Speak to them like, you know what, mom? When you were like 15, what did you look for in a guy? Just for the interest sake, I wanted to know like, what do 15-year-olds find attractive? That sounds pedophilic as well. But I just want to know because women mature a lot earlier. So I'm thinking like a 15-year-old woman's like a 17-year-old guy. Like when I was 17, I was dumb. I didn't like the right kind of girls, and she was like, I didn't like the right kind of guys either. It's like makes sense, makes sense. But then she was like, oh, when I turned 17, then I knew exactly. I was like, oh, okay. Oh, my dad's such a G. But yeah, truly ask people questions, wanting to know things. But Jordan Peterson talks about this in 12 Rules for Life. One of the rules are always assume the person you're talking to knows something that you don't, because there's no because. The gist of that chapter is they probably do, and you will be a better human for it. No man is an island, and fuck, I know a lot of guys on the side of YouTube feel like islands. You're not. Why do you think you're listening to me? Talk to someone. Stop listening to me. Turn this fucking video off. Go talk to someone. Speak to someone. If you are really feeling down, it's impossible. It's impossible to feel depressed in the company of people you like. Imagine, you guys know what depression feels like. It's like it's sitting in your room. It's like, oh, I just don't wanna get out of bed. I'm just sleep. I don't wanna go to the gym today. You know, why do I have to work today? Like, just put my laptop away. Like, I don't wanna do anything, man. But then you get to the office, and then everyone's working. It's like, let's just do it. And then you get to the gym, everyone's gymming. It's like, let's just go. It's that small fucking grain of resistance. Stephen Pressfield talks about it in the War of Art. That's resistance. It's that little barrier in the way. I really love this. I'm gonna put you guys in some game. The 2-minute rule by James Clear. If you can't do something, if you don't want to do something, just do it for 2 minutes. Just do 10 push-ups. 2 minutes. 20. You can probably do a lot more than 10 in 2 minutes. Just write one page of work. 2 minutes. All it takes. 2 minutes of throwing something. 2 minutes of just going to speak to someone. Literally, go outside and speak to someone for 2 minutes. See where it goes. I promise you it's not going to be 2 minutes long. Like these videos are never 2 minutes long. Boy. Cheers, guys.